Hello and welcome back to Katie's Business Tips. Michael Lapide here to talk to you about GST input tax credits, ITCs for short. You hear people talk about, oh, get your ITCs. That's an input tax credit on your GST return. And really all it really is you can recover the GST you pay on GSTable items. So you pay out GST when you buy things for your business. That's an input tax credit, as simple as that. You may be eligible for the ITCs only to the extent that property or service you require that you purchased are for commercial use. So when you're buying something for your personal use, you're not writing off the ITC on it. So be very cautious of that. Now there are some property and service you acquire which you cannot claim an ITC, certain capital property and taxable supplies of property, certain acquired or imported, there's exemptions. So if you are paying GST, it's an input tax credit. Bottom line is look at your documentation, because there's sometimes you buy something, might be from the US or just an exempt company, and there's no GST on it. And when you're doing your bookkeeping, you just throw GST in everything, it might be wrong. So make sure you look at that invoice if you're not sure, or the document that you received, to see if there's GST that you paid. And if you're importing anything, you're going to pay duties and you're going to pay GST. So you're going to actually see that on the breakdown from your brokerage company. So if you're importing, it's very important to capture that GST, because it might be large GST input tax credits when you ship the goods in. Okay, you pay that through the customs. Okay, now to claim an ITC, of course, you have to make sure that you have the receipt, and it should have a GST number on it, show that you paid GST, but also know this, you have up to 4 years to claim the ITC. So you don't always necessarily need to claim it in this year. You can claim it for up to the next 4 years or next periods. Now, it's wise to claim it now, but if for some reason you missed it or something goes wrong, you have up to 4 years to claim your ITCs. If you have any questions on GST input tax credits, ITCs, let us know. Post in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.